Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a turn on the road less traveled, or maybe not traveled at all, when it comes to electric vehicles EVs. EVs were supposed to be the future, buzzing with clean energy and futuristic tech. But are people starting to get a case of cold feet? Promises vs. reality. We've all heard the claims: low maintenance, easy repairs, even battery swaps on the fly. Sounds like a dream come true for car owners. But hold on a sec. The reality on the ground might be a different story. Some folks are finding that EVs aren't quite as reliable as advertised, and when things go wrong, the repair bill can leave you speechless. So what's the deal? Let's dive into some of the challenges that might be keeping EVs out of everyone's driveway. Challenge 1: range anxiety charging hassles. Imagine this: you're cruising along in your shiny new EV, feeling good about saving the planet. But then that dreaded low battery warning pops up. Range anxiety, the fear of running out of juice before finding a charger, is a real concern for many drivers. And let's face it, waiting around for an hour to charge isn't exactly convenient, especially on long trips. Challenge 2: upfront cost infrastructure blues. EVs often come with a hefty price tag compared to traditional gas-powered cars. While the savings on fuel might balance things out in the long run, the upfront cost can be a big hurdle for many potential buyers. Then there's the charging infrastructure. Finding a charging station, especially on the road, isn't always a piece of cake. Challenge 3: environmental concerns, not so clean-cut. Sure, EVs don't pump out tailpipes, but are they truly eco-friendly? The battery production process can be quite resource-intensive, and let's not forget the question of where our electricity comes from. If it's from fossil fuels, then the environmental benefit is less clear-cut. The road ahead. So does this mean EVs are a dead end? Not necessarily. Technology is constantly evolving, and improvements in battery range, charging times, and infrastructure are happening all the time. But here's the thing. The transition to EVs needs to be realistic and accessible for everyone. That means addressing the concerns we've talked about today. What do you think? Are EVs the future, or do they need some serious work before they hit the mainstream? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more content on the ever-changing world of transportation.